Hi, today we'll be replacing this leaking water hose fitting. Okay, before replacing this fitting, you'll want to make sure that it is leaking from the fitting itself and not from the attachment that you have connected to it. If it is leaking from the attachment, you may just have to replace this rubber gasket inside. You can just grab a box of these and replace rubber gaskets, and that may fix your issue. I'll put a link in the description below. The tools that we're going to use for this job are a replacement fitting, something to cut the hose with. In this case, I'm using a razor knife, a screwdriver so we can tighten down the clamp around the hose, and some cut-resistant gloves. All right, we'll start up by putting the cut-resistant gloves on. We'll get the hose, and we'll get our razor knife, and we'll just cut the hose here. Be careful with your fingers. The cut doesn't have to be perfect, so that's good enough. Next, we can grab the clamp and unscrew the screws. Next, we'll grab the new fitting and slide it into the hose. Then we'll get the clamp and we'll sit it in the clamp. I'm going to get rid of these gloves since I'm done cutting. And now we'll grab the top part of the clamp. We will line up the screws. We'll start with one side first. And we'll just tighten this down a little bit. Then we'll go to the other side. Line up that screw. And then we'll go ahead and tighten that down. At this point, we'll just push on this, make sure that it is going to be as flush as possible, and we'll just tighten it down all the way. And just make sure these screws are nice and tight. All right, that's nice and tight. And that's how to replace a fitting on a garden hose. Let's go ahead and connect the attachment and test it out. I'm going to go ahead and turn the hose on. All right, the hose has been pressurized. Let's go ahead and verify that by opening this up. We have water. And we have no leakage around the hose. Perfect. All right, so that's how to replace a fitting on the end of a garden hose. If this video helped you, please give the video a thumbs up. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. More great videos to come in the future. You guys take care. All right, bye-bye. Hey, Rocket.